So the type of visa you got was family visa.
Family reunion visa.
Family reunion visa.
Visa.
In Italian, what it is called?
Riunione di
Familiare.
familiare,
Okay.
and it's a type D visa.
Okay. And then when you come here, you apply for permesso soggiorno. Usually, if student comes here,
Yeah.
they apply for student permit.
Yes.
But you applied for which permit?
It's normal permesso di soggiorno on husband's visas.
Okay, on husband visa. So you got the permit for the number of months your husband has the visa.
Yeah, I still did not get. I need to check that because it's still under process.
So you don't know.
I don't know.
Okay, got it.
If you know that you're coming to Italy for even for your studies, I would suggest learn at least like basic, very basic language.
Okay, so I think that's it. I think you cleared
Also,
everything. Do you want
one
to add
more.
something? Yeah, go on.
So, and the very best part here is if you come here with your husband, like dependent visa, that is family reunion visa, you get your free tessera sanitaria. You don't have to pay
Wow.
anything.
So
you don't have to
pay
wait.
700 euros per
No.
year. This is best thing. So usually what happens, of course, you need to have insurance, right? So you need to pay for your insurance in the country where you're living. If something happens to you, like who's gonna take care of it? So you need to take compulsory insurance. But if you are a student, you have to take Italian, like a government insurance. So you have to pay 700 euro per year. Since her spouse is working here already in Italy, she will automatically get tessera sanitaria. Like she don't have to pay 700 euro for insurance. So that's very nice.
Yeah, because
So
my
you're saving
husband would be
700 euro
paying,
per year.
paying the taxes.
You can
here.
buy some gold.
Of course.
700
I did.
euro. Yeah, 700 euro. Oh my god, lovely.
Yeah, just girls being girls.
Girls being girls. From where you buy, here or from India?
In India.
In India. Yes, because here you don't actually get the
Yeah, I got the
20
white gold, like
Okay.
18 karat white gold. It's really, I mean, people.
What do you
yeah,
think
I mean,
about the gold? Gold is expensive here as comparison to India. It's better here. Like
I find gold in India is better.
it's better.
It's 22 and 24 karat.
24 karat. Here it's not
18.
common. Here it's
Yeah.
18 karat gold. It's not
Yes.
like very gold culture here.
Exactly.
It doesn't exist. Like you have a shop who's saying today's gold rate is this.
That's
It
true.
doesn't work like that here.
So you have a lot of benefits here because your spouse is already paying a lot of taxes. So I think whatever perks he'll be getting, automatically even the spouse will be getting.
Okay,
the person
yeah.
who is dependent on him
Oh yes,
will be
yes,
getting.
because you're dependent.
Yeah, just like the tessera sanitaria, for
Sanitaria.
example. Yeah.
Wow. Nice.
So yeah,
So then, are you planning to go to India now?
yeah, in August. Because he'll be having leaves in summer break in August, right? So we are planning to go in August.
Yes, 1
yeah,
month.
1 month. Yeah. Also, I forgot. My husband is working here. As I said, like he's paying taxes, right? So there will be a fee reduction also. Like if you're a student on his ESE,
Okay.
there will be a fee reduction
for you.
Yeah.
Wow. So basically, you will be paying your tuition fee, and you will use the easy of your husband.
Yeah, so but for that you'll have to register in CAF way before. Like I got to know a bit late because nobody was there to guide me with the spouse visa thing. But yeah, when we went to the CAF, they actually told because when we asked them like if my husband could pay through his ESE, they said if you had applied way before, yes. Because my ESE, it counts like year end, right? Like ESE will be counted in the next year. If I apply now, it will be added in
And
the
the
next
easy
year.
will be valid for the year in which you
Exactly.
like apply for in this year. So
Exactly.
this year it's valid.
So that's
Yeah.
also a
So you will
perk.
apply this year, of course.
Yeah,
So
I'll
you
be
pay
applying.
tuition fees now.
Now I paid,
installment,
yeah. First
800 euros, 700
No, it was
euros.
380. No, 360.
For first installment, right?
Yeah.
But overall you will pay
Overall
700,
it is
800.
680, I think.
Yeah, it is based on country.
Yeah.
Because you're paying based on country, not on income.
Exactly.
But still, it's not too much.
Yeah.
Your husband is working, so.
It's not too much. That's true. And also, if my husband now he can apply for PR.
Yeah.
He has already applied, which is in process. So without any waiting, even I'll be getting the PR.
Yeah,
I don't have
okay.
to apply like the first year. So I have been here since 1 year. So the first year I should apply for the permesso di soggiorno. I still did not get my permesso. there are people whose permesso di soggiorno is directly converted into PR because of the spouse.
Of course, because of the spouse.
Yeah, if that is not converted, you have your valid permesso, you will get the card, and automatically, if you go to the Questura, they will give the application, and your PR will be in process.
PR is like permanent residence, and you will have 10 years. You don't have to apply for, like permesso soggiorno, which is resident card every year.
Exactly.
So 10 years, you are sorted out.
You're sorted.
Yeah.
You don't have
and then
to.
you apply for citizenship after 10 years.
Yeah. Because I hear from my other friends and my husband itself, every year the visa renewal, it's a headache.
It's a headache. It's a headache. Every
Yeah.
time you have to documents.
So-
What do you think about other countries? Like, for example, US. Are you aware about the process of other countries?
Yeah,
Little bit.
a
And then you
bit.
can compare with Italy.
A bit, yes. In US, yeah, of course, the dependent.
Closer.
Okay, the dependent visa, to get a dependent visa is really really easy. If your husband or if your wife is working in US, they just apply for the dependent, and without any waiting time, you'll be getting. But the difference is you cannot work or study with dependent visa in US. You'll
Then
have
there
to
is no
again
point?
apply. You have to go there with with this dependent visa. You have to apply for the job visa. Then you can work. Here in Italy, it's the best part.
the
You can
best,
study.
yeah.
You can work. You can earn. You can do whatever you want.
You don't pay insurance. You get all the benefits what your husband,
Husband is
has.
getting. Exactly.
So I think I mean these things Italy is very good
Yeah.
in terms of documentation.
Exactly.
They don't trouble a lot.
Exactly. And also, of course, the scholarship here, it's fully funded. In US, it's like 60 or 70%
Yeah.
funded. You won't get fully funded. It's very very rare.
Very rare.
Yeah.
Maybe out of thousands they will give 2 students.
Exactly. It's very very rare. So the Italy is the best place if you want to, study. It's really really lively.
Yeah.
I mean, I wasted one whole year because I came here as a dependent, but I did not apply for any of. I thought I would be getting my job very easily here, which was a myth. But yeah, I did not. So I wasted one whole year searching for jobs. But fortunately, I got admission in Unipi, data science and business
Luckily you got
information.
data
So yeah,
Okay, so I think that's it.
yeah.
So thank you so much, guys, and hope we have Ramya again.
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't tell your name. She's Ramya, by the
I'm
way.
Ramya.
Ramya. I always say Ramya. She is Ramya, by the way, guys.
Yeah.
Sorry to introduce you. We directly jump into
Yeah.
macchiato.
Yeah, it's post lunch. Of course, we need that.
We need that. We are now kind of like Italian kind of culture. So okay, maybe we can make in future some more videos
Yes.
about your experience, maybe with your husband, how he find the job and all
Yeah.
those things, huh?
Also here,
Yeah.
also here you'll be having the job fairs
Yes,
through
the
which
job fairs you
he
can.
got the job.
Okay.
So wherever you get the job fair, just go in.
Just go, yes.
Just
No
go
matter
in.
in which city the job fairs is, just run.
Just run. I have been running to Rome, Milan, Florence, Pisa,
for job
Naples.
Okay.
Yeah,
But
so-
maybe because of little bit of Italian and
Language,
things,
yeah.
you had that
So
issue.
I also had like really bad experiences with respect to the language
Mm-hmm.
here, but it's all worth it when you get a job, right? Or
Of course.
yeah, because in the job fair, in the last job fair where I went, I know a bit of Italian, not like very professional language, but I was trying to introduce myself in English because it was an international job fair. So they were like, talk to me only if you know Italian, or else just go.
Oh my god.
Okay, I know a bit. So I would suggest like a bit.
A
A little bit of
course, yeah.
your Duolingo will help
Yes,
in that case.
Yes,
Yeah.
ChatGPT will help.
Yeah,
Duolingo will
ChatGPT,
help.
exactly.
It's not difficult Italian language.
Just
Gonna
ciao,
be-
buongiorno. Start if you
Little
start
bit.
with that, yeah.
Thank you so much for
Thank you
watching
so
the Italian
much.
Diaries. Till the time, bye bye and ciao ciao.